Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Please listen and watch this real screwdriving demonstration. Screwdrivers that don't hold up, tools that don't cut it, inefficient systems that damage screws, bits and surfaces. Stop the madness. Choose the magnet driver from now on. The real revolution in the world of DIY. The secret is in the powerful magnetic ring inside a special soft and flexible sleeve, which makes the magnet driver patented system like no other. Place the magnet drive in your screwdriver or power driver bit like so, and be amazed. Once you match the magnet driver to the color-coded power bit, position the screw and stick the magnet driver against the screw's head. Then place the power bit inside the drill until the magnet driver rests in place. Now start screwing and watch carefully. The magnet driver compresses gently to embed the countersunk screw into the wood. Now drive with the magnet driver until the surface is totally in contact with the screw. The screw stays there. Impressive, right? That's the power and efficiency of magnet driver. Now you've got an extra hand. Your work will never seem so easy. And it's so simple that everyone can use it. The magnet driver adapts to all kinds of screws, screwdrivers, and bits for power drivers. And there's a color for each size. Well thought, don't you think? Look how much time and efficiency you gain in this screw driving sequence. You can screw perpendicularly and increase your strength and performance. The binding power is so strong because your tools and the magnet driver form a single body. We even driven into a ceiling with a much heavier power driver. Look at this. This is the efficiency of the magnet driver. Even when it comes to deeply sunken screws, the magnet driver adapts to all situations without damaging surfaces. Even in confined or inaccessible spaces where work used to be impossible, magnet driver is still on your side. Did you get that? You gain strength and power. The images speak for themselves. It's amazing and one of a kind. The possibilities are endless. The magnet driver links instantly. Equip your screwdrivers and power bits with the magnet driver from now on. The magnet driver will lend a hand. It's always the right tool. Projects will be simpler from installation drywall to mechanic work. The magnet driver is essential. The high-powered neodymium magnet will always be on your side. It's fantastic. You'll save time and money. Everybody uses magnet driver for all types of jobs. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, you will benefit from the magnet driver. The new revolution in the world of DIY. From the workshop to the home, in the garage, on the job site, or in the garden, the magnet driver is simply great. With the magnet driver system, screwing has never been so easy. The magnet driver is a product of Micaton.
Introducing the first step bits optimized for cordless drills in high speed from Milwaukee. Made in the USA, these bits feature the rapid strike tip, a smooth cutting two-flute design, and black oxide coating to deliver jam-free performance with up to 2 times faster starts, up to 4 times more life, and up to 50% more holes per charge.
What's good about the Milwaukee step bit is you can put it in your cordless drills and keep it on high speed. The way the bit is designed, it cuts through smooth through the metal each step. You know, other brands, they bind up. You might have to put it in low gear to finish it through the hole. This one here, we can keep it on high speed. Nice, consistent, smooth hole all the way through.
When you're just starting a new hole in a piece of metal, the tip always wants to walk around a little bit. This Milwaukee, as you can see at the end, it's almost like a drill bit. It's got a good point on it, so it stays where you put it, just like a drill bit would. And once it pierces the metal, it starts eating from there, stays in its spot, and drills a good clean hole.
You can get more holes drilled in a less amount of time, increasing the productivity of the job and at the same time having a longer battery life. Well, not having to change bits for the initial hole saves time, plus the speed with drilling saves time also. Definitely labor saving.
We get the panel marked out, drill right through the box, stays sharp, lasts longer, gets the job done quicker. Plus, it's made in the USA, and that's very important to me.
Jam-free step bits optimized for cordless drills in high speed from Milwaukee.
HVAC installers. Now make your impact driver a power crimper instantly. The Malco Turbo Crimper Impact is a simple, compact accessory that works with the power assistance of impact driver technology to crimp 30 to 24 gauge round duct and stovepipe. No setup or adjustment is needed. Just chuck it up and crimp most every type, size, or thickness of stovepipe or duct pipe, including spiral duct, fast and easy. With the pipe seam in closed position, start the crimp to one side of the seam by gently tugging the driver trigger and angling the turbo crimper onto the metal edge. Walk the crimper around the pipe circumference, and then angle off the metal as the turbo crimper nears the other side of the seam. The turbo crimper impact is 5 times faster than manual crimping, based on actual field trials. It works with the impact driver in forward or reverse, so it's comfortable for right or left-handed users to operate. The end result is a tight-fitting, self-supporting, leak-proof connection. Save time, save money, without the sweat and strain. This handy little accessory is a must-have for every HVAC installer and stores in a ready pouch or bag when not in use. The Turbo Crimper Impact from Malco Products. Makers of tools that work, perform, and outlast all others. Look for the C5A2 Turbo Crimper Impact at a Malco dealer near you.
W. Wood boring bits. When drilling larger holes into wood, Klein's wood boring bits are a better option than traditional auger bits or paddle bits. Klein Tools wood boring bits are made of heavy-duty, hardened steel for durability and superior cutting. Their low torque design helps reduce wrist fatigue, unlike standard auger bits. And the unique head shape minimizes vibrations when drilling versus ordinary paddle bits. It also gives you better directional power so you can customize the hole shape. The blades are easy to resharpen, and even though the pilot screw is built for durability, it can also be easily replaced if needed. The wood boring bits work with both 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drills and come in 3 cutting head sizes: 7/8 inch, 1 1/8 inch, and 1 3/8 inch. For more information about these products and other A to Z videos, go to kleintools.com/A to Z.